Good morning, children. Welcome to today's class. So, today, what is the topic for today's class? Today, we are going to discuss about air pollution. Some of the portion of this topic was left in our last class that we will be covering up today, and we will be studying about bad effects of burning cracker. Okay, so please write down today's date. Lesson, as we know that it is lesson number 8, composition of air. So what is the learning outcome for this chapter? That means after completion of this chapter, you should be able to list what are the harmful effect of air pollution. First thing, then you should be able to give examples or list the ways of fighting air pollution. How can you stop air pollution? That you should be able to give answer, and you should be able to state what are the consequences of working in a firecracker factory as well as burning firecrackers. Okay, burning firecrackers, they are having some harmful effects, some side effects are there. So that what are those side effects that you should be able to give, state those answers. Okay, that you should know. You should be able to give answer to the consequences of burning fire and what are the side effect of working in these factories. Okay. So now let us start with the recapitulation. Okay, so we have talked about the major gases. They are nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. Nitrogen is in highest concentration, highest level is of nitrogen, then come oxygen, then carbon dioxide and other gases along with water vapor. So the important thing, what is the source of air component? Major air component we are talking about, which are responsible for life on earth, that is oxygen and carbon dioxide. So the major source is seed here. Plant, they make their food, we have discussed, and while making their food by the process of photosynthesis, see here, they take carbon dioxide from air and they give out oxygen. Yes, and we human being, we in turn do respiration and we take oxygen from air, and while breathing out we give carbon dioxide out. Okay, this is a main source of oxygen and carbon dioxide in this planet. Okay, we are consuming oxygen and giving carbon dioxide back, and plant, they are taking that carbon dioxide and giving oxygen back. And in our last class I have explained you, if that cycle is okay, if the plant are less in number, then what will happen? Obviously less absorption of carbon will be there. All those things we have discussed in our last class, isn't it? So trees are less, then there will be less consumption of carbon dioxide, more level of carbon dioxide will be there, oxygen will be less, and these will have very serious effect on our on us. Okay, so all those things we have discussed. Now coming to today's, now see this one. Yes, now let me show you a picture here. See this picture. Chimneys are there, so much dust and all those things these are coming. Is it healthy to live in such environment? Yes, can you give me answer? I have given this question as a homework. Can you tell me what will be the consequence if you live in this type of area, this type of environment? What will be the side effects? Can you survive there for a longer period? No, na. So all those things we have discussed in our last class. Just because of these smoke, they contain various toxic chemicals which are harmful for us. They can damage our lungs, they can they can cause cancer in our lungs, in even our skin disease and various other disease we can get if we continuously live in this type of environment. Okay, and that is the reason that various factories, they are not built in the residential areas, they are built somewhere far, because they are creating so much of air pollution. Okay, so this question I have given you in a Google Classroom. Try to give answer by yourself. I have explained you right now also. Okay, now let us move ahead. We have discussed about the harmful gases in air. What do we call when there are harmful gases or harmful things mixed in the air? We call it as air pollution. And those harmful things which make air polluted, what are they called? They are called pollutants. See the spellings, I have highlighted it. Pollutant. TANTS, pollutants. Okay, now what are the sources of air pollution? Yes, one in the starting only I have shown you, that is factories. Factory emits large scale smoke. Okay, then burning of firewood is there, kerosene lamp burning is there, vehicles, traffic vehicles, these create pollution. Even like if we are planning for that one, nuclear reactions and all those spacecraft are, if they are sent, rocket, if they are being sent, then they also emit huge amount of toxic chemical in the environment. They also create air pollution. Okay, so there are a long list of things, the major one are listed here. Okay, so now let us move ahead and see few more things. How, see in this picture, a child is wearing a mask. Yes, mask can filter the air. Okay, the dust particles or all those things, they will be trapped outside and only the fresh air will get entry inside our nose. So few more things are here, children, like bad smell is there, that also is called polluted air. It is not like anytime if only smoke is there then only air is polluted. It is not like that. If very pungent smell or some bad smell is there, then also we call air polluted. Polluted air is very unhealthy. Okay, and I have explained you in our last class that it may damage our lungs, it can cause cancer and various other diseases, asthma, bronchitis, and so many I have listed in our last class, isn't it? Now come to the important part. How can we keep our air clean? One best thing is reforestation or planting of more trees. Why? If question is like this, if a boy is planting more trees, if you are planting more trees, how you are supporting environment? You can explain. Yes, well, how can you explain? See, reason it is given. Plant absorb carbon dioxide and they give out oxygen. Okay, so if vehicles are too much, vehicles are making so much smoke. Okay, but if plants are in much in number, that time what will happen? These plants, they will absorb those carbon dioxide from the air and they will emit oxygen, isn't it? So planting of trees is the most important thing to combat air pollution. That is the most important thing. Then few more things are like using smoke free lamps and stoves. Okay, then stop burning garbage, then use well maintained vehicles. Okay, like if you are using very low quality of fuel in your vehicle, that time it creates too much of smoke. Okay, and if the quality of fuel, that means petrol and diesel, they are also having a quality. If you are using a good quality, it will be good for nature. If you are using cheap or downgraded quality, it will create problem in the environment. So these are few things which we can do to combat air pollution. Right now, like few days back, continuously in this season now, you might have heard in news that in Delhi region too much pollution is there, just because the farmers in the nearby states, they used to burn their field. Okay, after taking all the grains, they are burning those leftover plants and all dried plants, all those things, na, the cereal, the husk there, na, they used to burn it, and that smoke, it is creating pollution in Delhi region. You might have heard about this in news, isn't it? Now let us see this one. Yes, and one more portion here. See, be amazed one. As we go to higher levels, the level of oxygen in air, it decreases. So the people who climb mountain, they carry oxygen cylinder. See in this picture, you can see a man, he is carrying oxygen cylinder. He is having mask, isn't it? So here it is told that as you move up, the level of oxygen, it decreases, and this is the reason that many a times we feel altitude sickness, isn't it? We tend to have tendency of headache, vomiting as we go to very hilly areas. Have you felt that? Okay, it is just because the level of oxygen is very low and your body is not adapted to that. So that is the reason you feel sickness there. And people who used to climb mountain, they used to carry the oxygen cylinder. Okay, now coming to the important topic, Diwali is near. Yes, we all enjoy burning firecrackers, but you know, these burning of firecrackers are a great harm to our environment. See here, and this is a very important topic, as few days we will be having Diwali. Okay, now see here, firecrackers are made up of chemicals which catches fire very easily. I think it is a flash powder or something, the silver type of thing you see there, na, it is flash powder. Okay, they make lot of noise and they add harmful smoke in the environment. Not only smoke, children, they create noise pollution also. I don't know how many of you have noticed that the just after Diwali, many birds, they used to they can't control their heartbeat. Okay, many dogs there, they their heartbeat, it changes just because of continuous noise of crackers. And not only this, children, these firecracker factories, they employ various child labors. Okay, see here in the picture you can see children working there. Okay, and they suffer from various disease because the condition there, it is not nice. See, let me show you a few pictures. They suffer from skin disease, lung problems, and various other. Let me show you a few picture here. Yeah, so one more thing it was left there, that it is dangerous to work in, that I have already explained to you. Yes, now see, you can see in picture now how they are working, how unsafe it is. All over the flash powders and the crackers are there, and a single spark, they will lose their life. Okay, these are small children, and some these are teenagers, and somewhere very small kids, they are working in these factories. We should stop child labor, isn't it? And how can it be done? If we stop buying crackers and all those things, their demand will be less, then factory, they will not be making too much of crackers. And India, you know, it is, I think, second largest country of in making crackers. Okay, but we are not able to export because we ourselves are consuming all the crackers. Okay, so now let me show you one more thing here. Many a times firecracker factories, they have blast, little bit of spark and blast occur. Okay, and various people, children, they are killed there. And this, I think, occurred in Tamil Nadu. In that area, factory blast was there, and it was very severe. Now you can see, I just want to show you a few pictures. See here, so much smoke is there. You can compare this picture. This picture is of a region in Delhi. Yeah, see here, just a day before Diwali and after Diwali, you can see the air level, quality of air. One, it is very clear. The second one, you can see how much polluted the air is, isn't it? You can see with your eyes. Now see here, this question I have given you as homework. This is before and after picture of Diwali of India Gate. Okay, reason in that region, New Delhi. You can you observe the difference? I hope you can. And can you tell me what might be the reason? I have told you the occasion was Diwali. I have given you hint and I have explained you as well. So I want you to give answer to this question. Similar one just now I have explained. I think, children, you can give me answer, isn't it? You need to give it. I have given that question in our Google Classroom. So today, what are the keywords? They are firecrackers. See here spelling. Please write down these keywords in your copies. Factories. We came up with one more word, festivals. Then pollution, chemicals, isn't it? And now coming to summarization of concept. So today's main topic was of firecrackers. So we have learned that firecracker factory, they are not safe. They are employing they are encouraging child labors. It is very risky to work there, isn't it? And these burning of firecrackers, they create lot of air pollution as well as noise pollution also. Okay, and they are very harmful for our health. They can create problem in our lung. We can get asthma, bronchitis, some skin disease may happen. Okay, and these all things. And one more important thing about air pollution, how to fight air pollution, important one. Yes, you remember all those things, that we need to plant trees. See here, yeah, this one, where is that one? Yes, we need to plant more trees, we need to use smoke free lamps and stove. Yes, burning, garbage burning should be stopped. Then you should use well maintained vehicles. Okay, so there can be many different more ways which can be added here. These are few important one. Okay, so here one more thing, connecting dot here it is given about abbreviation. Okay, English fun, how we write down carbon dioxide in short form, CO2. You see here, it is here CO2. Then nitrogen, N2, isn't it? Oxygen, O2 is there. Okay, and so these are few things, and the social studies we have already discussed. Okay, so with this children I am ending my class. Okay, bye bye, take care, and in case children you are having any doubt, feel free to contact me. Okay, bye bye.